I've got this pretty cool power tool organizer. This thing is absolutely massive, and it's going to be able to assemble and organize all of your power tools, all of your chargers, everything in it all at once. So you can see it has different slots here for storing your power tools and your drills, as well as chargers and everything else with it. On the top, you do have a really nice power strip with a reset on it, as well as multiple different shelves, different hangers, and different assortment of things. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook this thing up on the wall, show you guys really how this thing is set up, get some of my tools onto it, show you how organized you can get with all your power tools. So check it out.